Great wealth, massive
Massive
wealth,
wealth,
one
one
family
family.
in Diva Secret International.
Amen.
one
Amen.
family.
Amen. Amen. Okay, now some of you outside there asking question. If I want to become a franchisor in Africa, what a condition? How much I have to invest? What is the return? Here is a Sir John is going to open his heart for you guys to not be afraid. Some of you are going to be afraid, but he is going to tell us everything about a franchisor for Chad and other part. Okay.
Okay, stockist is a very, very important system.
Okay.
The country is very big.
Yes.
Your city contains about more than 100,000 people.
Yes.
So, stockist system, you need to grow your business and reach your people easily.
Yes.
For a stockist in the country,
Yeah.
they have to pay 12,000 USD.
That's a big.
There's 12 diamond, 12,000 USD.
Yeah.
What we will give you, 12,000 pins
Yes.
for you to register anyone.
Yes. Yes.
And you also will get 12,000 worth of product
Okay.
and another 6,000 worth of product in advance for you
Wow.
to run the business
That's a good profit,
in
no?
your country.
Wow.
And the best part is, as a stockist,
Mm.
every registration under your team,
Mm.
you will override 7%.
Wow.
That's a huge money. The 7% is for what? For you to build the business.
Yes. Yes.
To
Yes.
build the business.
Yes.
Assist your people.
Yeah.
That's the 7%.
Yeah.
And apart from stockists, we have sub-stockists,
Yeah.
a lower bit. Okay, those who want to come in a small level,
No, yeah.
they can pay 6,000 USD.
Okay.
They get 6,000 worth of product,
Product. Mm-hmm.
6,000 pins, and another 3,000 advanced product for them to roll
Wow.
in the business, so that they won't have any shortage.
Okay.
And what they're going to override? They override 3%
Okay.
for every registration in their team, under their team.
So how can they get those profit in? They get in the terms of money or pin?
They will get in terms of pins.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
In terms of pins, of course, these pins you can use to register people. As a stockist, and sub-stockist, you will have a very big group of people.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's an online shop.
Yes. Yes.
As a shop, you have to have products for people to buy.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Your products is pins
Yes.
and of course the product.
Yes. Yes.
When you sell the pins, you give them the product. Without a pins, it's same like a shop without the goods.
That's right.
That's why you have the pins for you to tell to people. You will grow your people,
Yes, yes.
grow your community to make a big business and become a millionaire.
Yeah. Can somebody upgrade himself from SS, that's a sub stockish, into full stockish after?
Okay, you see, upgrading is the marketing system,
Yes.
but sub-stockist, stockist, there is no upgrade.
So when you start with the SS, you stay there as SS.
Just stay there, and then you want to become a stockist, you have to pay another 12,000.
Okay. Okay. So we
But
can.
end of the day, you don't lose because we still give you that much of pins and that much of product.
Okay. We can create another stock in any place.
No, you will just have to, from the sub-stockist,
Yeah.
we will put it as a stockist.
Ah.
You must pay the full amount because you don't lose there, you get the product and also the full pins will be given to you.
Okay. Okay. To become 12.
Yes, right.
Okay. Okay. Sure. I want to clarify in that
Yeah.
area so that the people that start with the low level to not feel comfortable to say, okay, I start with small, but I see the profit now and I want more products. So what can I do? Okay. So they have to invest another 6,000 again.
Yeah.
Then they become full.
They have to invest another 12,000.
12,000
Yes.
after.
Full.
Uh-huh.
You see, this is a wonderful business, I would say,
This is true. It's true.
because you see, we are not promoting any financial. We are promoting health
Health.
product.
That's right.
It's a divine business.
Yes. Yes.
You help people for the wealth
And they
and
become
also
rich.
the health. You
Sure.
earn the health, you give them a good wealth. It's a blessing for all of you.
Amen, amen. I believe that.
But with a good intention, approach people,
Yes,
show them the wealth and also the health.
yes.
The money comes to you automatically.
Yeah. You know, sir, there is something. Your transition from the lawyer into wellness is something, is like a day and night. You see, you go from, you are a lawyer, and then you resign, and then now you are fully
Yeah.
into wealth industry. It sometimes is very funny, you know.
You see, as a lawyer,
Yeah.
we meet a lot of people,
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
but not much as you meet in
Industry.
this industry.
Yeah.
As a lawyer, I meet a lot of people.
Yeah.
I enjoy meeting them.
Yeah.
It's not enough.
Yes, yes, yes.
I want to meet my brothers and sisters internationally.
Sure, sure, sure.
So I'm very, very happy to
Yeah.
have a big family in Africa,
Yeah.
Europe, Asia. Very, very happy to travel.
Mhm.
This is the best satisfaction
Yes, yes.
for me and for the other directors.
Yes. So I can tell people confidently that Africa must believe that very soon things are going to be okay in Africa, because many people have a lot of mark of questions.
Whether you believe or not, I believe
Yes, yes.
that you will see
Yeah.
how the Africa is going to grow.
Sure, sure, sure.
I have a strong belief.
Yeah.
It's not a belief alone. In my world, it's already happened.
Yeah, sure, 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 sure. That's wonderful, sir. Thank you for your precious time. And I believe that with my help and my team back in Africa, we will just try to do programs also in French, okay? And you still remember I asked you a proposal for helping community. Until you people decided to help community, I will start to do it already and send you a photo. I'm going to do something for the community, because what is my aim is that we want this product to be in all houses, ministers, poor, even rich people. Rich people will make poor people rich. I used to tell my team when I arrive, we're going to target the rich people. When they start to buy, we become rich. The people that are in the poor community that have a will to be ambassadors, we're going to empower them. Even 1 box, 2 boxes as members, because they don't have money to start, we help them to start. They have to vow to us that they are going to become ambassador. They are going to be our evangelists. I will do that.
Powerful.
Yeah.
In line to that, we are already working with a big humanitarian organization from USA.
Yes, yes.
We already have a series of meetings,
Yes, yes.
okay,
Yeah.
to assist and indulge ourselves into these humanitarian programs.
Sure, sure.
Soon, all
Yeah.
of you all will witness it.
Yeah, tell them about me, that because I'm a social worker also beside me,
Great.
in the church, in everywhere. That's the reason I'm in India. So that when they start, with my expertise that I work in different villages here in India and back in Africa, I will just give them the guidance. We don't need to take million to give to people. What people is one soap, they will appreciate, because some people cannot afford 1 soap also.
We'll work together.
Yeah, sure.
That's why we are one family.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I'm so glad that today
Sure.
we have time to sit down
Exactly.
together. You know, I know that you are busy, and many people say, oh, always you come last time, you didn't even have time with the sergeant. I say, no, you wouldn't understand. He's working like a robot. He have a lot of places, and he's carrying all the burden of company on his head. His journey that, but time will come. Today, people that are saying, "Oh, John is not taking you serious," today you know that John taking me seriously, because he know that I'm doing something serious, and he have a plan for Africa. Friends, listen, trust Diva Secret Stem Cell. Whether you are French-speaking person, whether you are English-speaking person, we are going to help you. We are going to help Gabon. We are going to help Guinea Equatorial, Cameroon, Chad, and even Nigeria. There are some part of Nigeria also the product have never reached yet. But I'm going to organize with Sir John. We're going to see, and very soon we are going to be in Dubai, no?
Yes.
All of us are going to be in Dubai. So
Yes.
so I wouldn't need to come back to India from Africa.
You're traveling. Wonderful.
Directly to Dubai.
Wonderful.
So we can just catch up in Dubai. Then from Dubai we can come once together
Great.
back to India and then Malaysia.
That's powerful.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. I'm
Thank
very
you.
grateful,
Thank
and
you.
I hope that when the book is ready, it's going to be already put in the system. people can buy, because Amazon, no?
Yes.
I give you the
Wow.
link. So everybody that is here, also Philippines, wherever they can buy directly on Amazon.
Exciting.
And then Indians are going to buy, then Africa. Then I can print physical also. The second version is coming, the same book in French. That one I'm going to print in Cameroon.
Wow.
The same book.
Great.
French, because we cannot put them aside. They will say, oh, you people don't like us because we speak French. But I will make sure French people will get their versions. I wrote it ready already.
Great. I really appreciate. I always appreciate committed, responsible,
Yes.
hardworking people
Sure, sure.
who support all the way. I think Dr. Wando has created. Company cannot be doing everything. We need all of you. That's why we call a family.
Yes, yes, yes.
So Dr. Wando also like a family. He did something very great. The book.
Yes,
I appreciated. Immediately I read it. I went and printed out.
yes, yes. Yes.
Because why? I really appreciate what he did.
Yeah,
Okay, all of you do support, and it's good for you also. It's just all about support. It's good for you, for your business, and also for your own reference.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate
Thank you, Dr. Wando.
Thank you, thank you.